Hello buddies, welcome back to caperswaytech. Today let's have a look at the latest iPad M1 Pro. I have borrowed this iPad from one of my friends only for you guys to have a look at the latest M1 chip iPad. So this is the latest Apple's M1 chip iPad Pro. Let's unbox it and have a quick overlook. So here are some quick guides given by them. And these are the Apple stickers. 20-watt charger, I guess. It's not mentioned here, but that is what Apple claims. Type-C cable with speeds of Thunderbolt level, which allows high-speed transfer of data. Let's keep them aside. So this is the 11-inch Wi-Fi model with 256 GB, priced at 80,900. After the student discount, you can get it for 76,855. You get 12MP plus 10MP dual cameras and 12MP selfie camera. There are 8 speaker holes on each side and a Type-C port. So this is the Apple second generation pencil. After the student discount, you can get it for 9,810 rupees. Now let's switch on this iPad and set it up. That's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe, get vaccinated as soon as possible. Thank you. See you guys in the next video.